For the special topic naman po natin, why immunity is your best defense and how to fuel it. So ito ay i-discuss sa atin ni Coach Alvin Velasco. Go ahead, Coach.
Hi, good morning to everyone. So as usual, I like to greet everybody po no na today is an amazing day, no? We claim it today is amazing day. So my name is Alvin Velasco and it's been 11 years or 13 years na pala ako sa Herbalife. And what we're going to talk about today is very important po, no? With all the progress ng mundo. And yet, a lot of people are sick today. So, yung immune system is very important. So, let me share my slide first. So, this is coming from our very own, teka lang, ha? So, si Kent Bradley is our Chief Health and Nutrition Officer. So, sabi niya nga, uh, our health is a most precious asset. So, totoo naman talaga yon. And a lot of people are saying na pag tinanong mo, do you really care for your family? Ang bilis ng sagot, di ba? Yes, I love my family. Pero do you love your family by going to sleep early? Do you love your family by taking care of your body? So, these are things na madaling sabihin but actually hindi nagagawa ng ng individual. So what we're going to always do here is try to inform people and educate people through our platform itong ating BNC, no? And this is very exciting topic na ating ngayon pag-uusapan, no? Kasi as the world moves on, alam naman natin na we are from pandemic, 'di ba? Naranasan na natin on how devastating effects pandemic is, 'di ba? And a lot of people hindi sila nakasurvive because their immune system are weak. So those people naman na ah, alam mo ang nanalo talaga dito is yung mga tao na hindi nagpa-vaccine because nowadays ang dami talagang effect and right up about that one. So we have to take care of our immune system as we go through life experience, okay? Now, let me share a quick story, no? So I'm now 57 years old. Malapit na po ako maging senior citizen and I'm excited na pumunta sa level na yon and another part of the na experience. So, ang background ko is I'm a salesman before sa Binondo. And this place is really wrapped with a lot of food. I don't know, yung mga fast food and everything. And wala tayong ibang resources kundi doon kumain sa labas with my colleagues. So I balloon into 192 pounds, no? Hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung effect ng nutrition that time. And so luckily I've been introduced by my mentor and my sponsor, Robert Jimenez, kasi kaming dalawa ni Noemi din, medyo malaki din si Noemi. So, overweight talaga kaming dalawa. And so, we did this amazing product. Sabi ng aking sponsor, palitan mo lang yan, pare, yung ating, yung breakfast mo. Simple as that, no? Simple as that. This is a good tip for you guys na don't make it hard for your clients to understand the product at first time. So just tell them na palitan mo lang yung breakfast mo. Pagka umuo siya, then go with your script. So yun lang ang ginawa ko, no? Ginawa namin. And then on the first month, we've lost amazing result. We have this 25 pounds at 7 inches din nawala sa bewang ko. And it really feels good. Unlike before, ang pinakaayaw ko, di ba, a lot of pains, aches and pains, my toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head, lahat po ng discomfort meron kapag overweight ka. Di ba? And we have a lot of product in Herbalife. Siyempre may mga paborito po tayo no? Aside from those targeted nutrition. Katulad ko, medyo senior na so marami na tayong supplement na kailangan. But the most supplement na talagang favorite ko, of course we do the healthy breakfast every day. Yung aloe tea shake and ang number one sa akin is the Herbalife line, the vitamins and minerals. And actually, what we're going to talk about the topic today, na-feature ko na tong yung mga favorite kong products. So, doon na lang natin pag-uusapan yung mga benefits na yan. Okay? And so, the future, marami tayong, we're very anxious of what the future can give us. But when you belong to a company like this, parang malinaw na malinaw. It's very clear, no? Because every day, you're progressive yung very progressive yung health status mo and you inform your family and you gain a lot of information when you belong to Herbalife. And then, so the future is really bright for us. So, you guys, kung bago lang kayo dito sa ating platform, try to understand those information na aming sinishare dito. Okay? So, that's why we really love Herbalife. So, punta na po tayo sa ating topic, no? Now, bakit ba immunity is very important? Pag sinabi mo, how do you define health? No? How do you define health? Some of us may answer, pag wala kang sakit, healthy ka. Okay? But try to think that lahat ng bacteria, viruses, so lahat ng organism that can cause us to be unhealthy, hindi naman yan nawawala, 'di ba? It's all around us. May mga chemicals pa. So kahit sa bahay natin, we are not really safe. Nandyan lahat yan. So health can be redefined as defense, no? When we talk of defense, we talk about immunity system sa ating body. How our body depend dun sa mga invader na yan. So try to imagine that your body is a castle, a fortress, di ba? Alam mo yung kasi ang pagkagawa ng castle very strategic, di ba? May depensa sa taas, yung area niya, kailangan dun sa area na hindi agad na penetrate, yung door niya, maraming features ang castle that defends from the invader. So same thing as our body, no? We have a defense system we call the immunity system. Di ba? And what does this system needs? It's very important to understand kasi the way you take care of your immune system is the way you're gonna help gonna be. Di ba? So, ito yung understanding natin. So, katulad din ng mga armies, we have navies, we have air force, we have marines, we have army, we have police. Ganun din ang immune system natin. May mga particular cells and antibodies that has particular role in it. Though may mga CIA tayo and we have that kind of cells also that parang CIA din kumilos. Nape-penetrate nila yung mga virus, nag-generate sila ng copy para next time pag umatake yung virus na yun, hindi na makakapasok sa katawan mo. So, immune system is very amazing, no? So, ganyan po, no? So, well, of course, immunity needs one thing, though, the right balance of nutrients. So, there are essential nutrients that we are talking about. Pag sinabi mong essential, the body cannot produce or the body produce very little. That's why it's essential. So, itong mga essential nutrients na to, kailangan natin i-take sa body. That's number one lesson, no? 13 years ago, uh, when I when I have an epiphany about nutrition, ito yung unang naintindihan ko, that the body needs nutrition. And nutrition plays a very important role sa ating health. Okay? So very important to put that in our mind. So how nutrition impacts body immune system? Not only the immune system no? Buong cycle mo, yung pagtulog mo, the way pagkilos mo, nutrition plays really an important role. Now, especially, yung immune system kasi natin, nakakalat yan sa buong katawan natin. But the large part of our immune system is located po sa ating gut, di ba? Sa ating bituka, sa ating digestive system. And 70% of these immune systems are being built, are being produced, are being secreted by this particular area, yung ating gut. We call this population gut microbiome, no? Gut microbiome is a population of good and bad bacteria na nandyan sa katawan natin, and it's very beneficial pagka maganda yung profile mo, maganda yung microbiome profile mo, no? Okay. Next one. So what are the nutrients that strengthen our immune system? So, because if you get this nutrient by eating a balanced diet, it ensure yung immune system intact siya, firing at all angles and every time kahit natutulog ka. The body protects you because equip siya ng nutrients na kailangan, di ba? From the time you are born, from the time na nasa womb ka, this immune system is already formed, no? It's already formed and firing at every angle. Every cylinder niyan, ano talaga yan, nakadepensa sa'yo. And one thing you can do is protect this immune system by strengthening it, and you strengthen your immune system by giving the proper nutrients na kailangan nila in order for them to really process and defend you and heal you pagka na-invade ka. Okay? So, ano ito? Include protein in your daily nutrition. This is very basic because protein is the building blocks of the body. It builds the whole body. Without protein, you will be gone. Di ba? Wala ka. Every part of your body is made up of amino acid. And you can get protein. Alam na natin ng sources ng protein, di ba? A lot of meats, chicken, and of course, supplementation is very important kasi wala na yung ibang mga harmless ingredients dyan. You take all the protein. That's why we're taking, di ba, our F1 shake, our rebuild, our protein na yung ating PPP. Yan yung pinaka-importante dyan because it's all protein. Now, during the past years, alam natin that the science has already progressed a lot. Pero yung streamline dito, ngayon hindi lang progress eh. It has really break those momentum, talagang ang taas na ngayon ng information and all those mga discoveries about the human body. And kasabay niyan is pag-imbento po at pagtuklas ng maraming mga bagay na ang katawan is very powerful. And this science-based product has really dominate po sa ating population ngayon. And alam naman natin that yung unang-una dyan, the standard bearer of this thing, the industry called supplement and replacement meal, is our very own company, Herbalife Nutrition. So no, with all this science, nagkaroon ng grabing breakthrough. And we would like to start etong ating product to explain further, to reinforce po sa mga misinformed na nakikinig dito sa BNC, or if we can share this video kasi meron din tayong platform sa FB, hoping that you share those I can, I will, I must na group na yan. It's really amazing that we have put up this together, no? Now, we start on the F1 Formula One. Bakit ba siya effective? Bakit effective ang Formula One? Number one, it is made up of protein. Diba? Sabi ko kanina, it's the building block. It's very important. It has nine essential protein. So hindi mo na kailangan mag-isip. Nandyan na yan lahat. Number two, bakit siya importante? Nutrient dense. Aside from the protein, it has 24 essential vitamins and minerals. So, doon pa lang makikita nyo yung statement na yan, oh, grabe itong Formula One. That's why if you take it every day, gaganda talaga yung katawan mo. Now, not every individuals are the same. Yeah? Kasi itong F1 natin, stand-alone yan, lahat ng nutrition na kailangan ng isang individual, nandyan. But a lot of individuals today is very deficient. No? Deficient sa lahat ng nutrition. That's why you need F2 to really close the gap about nutrition. This is very important kasi you can sell this one para maintindihan bakit ba magkakasama itong mga to, no? So we have that F1 na nandyan lahat yung vitamins and minerals to support the nutritional gap kung hindi mo siya makukuha sa F1 kasi nga ang katawan mo ang daming kailangan, no? Deficient ka. So we have that F1. And then we have this F3. We call this one yung cell complex. Alam mo ang ginagawa nito, ito yung parang tourist guide eh. Ito yung naghahatid ng mga nutrition na tinatambak mo sa katawan sa particular need sa body mo. 'Di ba? Amazing yung cell complex. Kaya nga siya anti-aging eh. Hindi ka nag-age pag nagtitake ng cell complex bumabata ka tingnan. And this is one of my favorite. So isang forte niya is to really distribute those nutrients sa right place. Okay? And itong tatlo na to pagka tinake mo, ang resulta nito is yung tinatawag nating cellular nutrition. 'Di ba? It gets down to the basic unit of the body which is the cells. Yan yung ibig sabihin ng cellular nutrition, 'di ba? Pagka itong tatlo na to nag-combine siya. Talagang pagkain siya ng ating cells. Now, cells are not really that really strong kasi we have to protect that one. Kahit na pinakakain mo yan, kailangan pa rin ng protection. And this product, we have also a lot of products that supports the cell, yung protection ng cell. And we have this, like this one, we have antioxidant, we have minerals, we have also fatty acids that can really do their work to protect the cells. So kaya ito yung paborito kong, actually marami pa yan, but these are the most important supplement for me kasi yung proper combination nila sa aking age is very no, is very amazing, no? Nakikita ko whenever I see myself sa mirror, bumabata talaga ako. Chika lang yan, no? So this is the thing, no? So at the wider span, ito yung talaga yung supports the immune system. Aside from eating getting the right food to equip your body with the right nutrition. Okay? Now, eto, exciting din to because sabi ko sa inyo, 70% of the immune system is located sa gut natin. And we have a really good product for that. Alam natin yung prebiotic. It support the gut by feeding those good bacteria na nasa gut natin, di ba? Ngayon, pag kulang ka naman sa good bacteria, we have this probiotic, simply probiotic. We have this one. These are live microorganism, beneficial organism na pwede nating inumin at ma-repopulate yung gut natin kung kulang tayo sa good bacteria. And you know what? A lot of cases today, yung ating mga depressed, merong DHD, and ang daming pangalan about sa mental health. Alam nyo, ang kulang lang yan is good bacteria eh. And I have proven that kasi for 13 years, marami po tayong kliyente na merong ganitong mga problema. And it improves, no? Ang mental health nila by just simply introducing gut health product sa kanila. And now, what is amazing, itong bagong product natin na Immulip. Di ba? Amazing talaga ang Herbalife eh. Now, postbiotic ang tawag dito. Now, we notice itong mga probiotic na to that katulad ng fermented food. Pag nag-create ng good bacteria yan, it produces a metabolites, no? A metabolites para siyang ah, a product kapag nag-ferment na. It creates a texture, it creates a taste na itong product na to na galing sa fermentation, it also protect the organism na good bacteria para siya mag-replicate. So, uh, this is a study na bagong-bago at nauna na po tayo dito because we have developed this Immulip. So, pagka tinake nyo yan, nakukumpleto na yung depensa natin sa ating immune system natin. And to tell you frankly, ang dami po ngayon na nagsasabi na maganda talaga ang Immulip. Ang asawa ko lang, umiinit ang ulo kapag walang stock nito sa bahay. So, ganun guys, kaganda yung ating produkto. Okay? And not only that, not only postbiotic, kasi itong Immulip natin is equipped with vitamin D3. Yung vitamin D3 kasi, almost all the process po ng katawan natin needs vitamin D3. And guess what? Sa population po ng mundo, there are a large percentage po na deficient po sa vitamin D3. So, imaginein mo, nandyan na rin yan. And we have selenium. Nandyan yung selenium. Selenium is a nutrient that our body cannot make. So, we have to get this nutrient. Although, konti lang ang kailangan niya. Ang maganda dito, kaya nilagay ng Herbalife itong selenium na to, because how the body protects needs hormones, needs enzyme, di ba yan? Now, it saan ba pinoproduce yan? Particularly sa ating thyroid glands, no? Sa thyroid glands. And itong selenium na to, itong zinc na to, it protects the thyroid. Di ba? So, can you imagine how amazing ang pagkagawa ng Immulip na to? Kumpleto talaga siya. Kaya very effective. Okay? Kung wala pa kayo nito, kailangan na kumuha kayo at kung meron kayo, sige nga, mag-type kayo ng one dyan kung sino-sino kayo nakatikim na ng Immulip. Okay. So, we have our philosophy to wrap this up. Ito po yung sinusunod natin. You get uh, 40% of your carbs, good carbs, actually, good carbs. And then you have 30% sa calories to a day, meron tayong protein, and then 30% fats. So, it varies kung ano yung pangangailangan nyo, especially pag weight loss ka, you have to adjust this percentage. Importante din dito, not only nutrition, but you have to maintain a good rest sa katawan mo, katulad ng ine-explain po sa 7 pillars of good health natin kanina, no? Hydration is very important. Now, boosting our immunity, maraming facts and fiction dyan, no? With so much interest po ng mga tao sa immune system, marami pong naglalabasang supplement dyan. But not supplement are created equal. So, pakinggan yung mabuti ang sinasabi ng mga companies na to. If these companies are really reliable, ilang taon na ba sila, gaano na ba kadami ang natulungan nila. So you have to understand these things bago po tayo mag-engage sa ating sa ating katawan na ganyan. So again, proper balance is the key. Sleep well, exercise well, and manage your stress. Uh, ano pa ba? No? So lahat gawin po natin to really protect our body. So I hope itong session na to has partake some of those information na makakatulong sa inyo. And thank you guys for listening, and God bless you all. Thank you.
Wow! Ang galing naman. Congratulations. Parang Doc Alvin na yung pwedeng sabihin. Napaka-detail, di ba? Napaka-informative. Talaga nakatutok ka lang talaga while nagsasalita si Coach Alvin. Thank you so much, Coach Alvin. Yan, tayo lahat din po. Mag-thank you rin po tayo sa comment section. Yan, say thank you naman po kay Coach Alvin sa natutunan natin